Good morning. Welcome to my garden. So if you've been following me for any length of time, you know that I have been trying to get my amaryllis to rebloom. And I found a wonderful Texas master gardener who knows how to do that, and I have been following the steps. So the first step was to cut off the flower bloom after it had finished blooming, and I did that a month ago. And now the leaves have gotten longer and strappier, and this plant is ready to be planted outdoors in a more appropriate pot for living outside. Okay, so let's get started and put this in a better pot. I'm going to dig a little hole here and dump out these rocks. They can live in this area here. I don't guess we need the ribbon anymore. Let's see if I can get it out. A lot of roots in here. Wow. Look at the size of that bulb. Nice and healthy. If I squeeze it, it's not mushy, which tells me it's healthy, and I can see there's another one starting there. So that's great. Okay, so I'm going to dig this hole, pop it in, and amaryllis like to be crowded. So that's good because I'm going to put 4 more in this same pot. So let's go get some more. I have a feeling this is going to be a little more difficult to dig out. So I have my sharpshooter skinny ladies shovel here. I love this. It's lightweight and easy for me to dig with. So let's get going and see if I can get up the bulb without destroying the... I have underground irrigation here, so I really don't want to cause a problem. All right, I feel the bulb. And a big fat worm. I love that. That means that's a sign of healthy soil. Wow, look at all those roots. That's wonderful. And this bulb is about, 2.5 inches in diameter. And it doesn't feel squishy, so I think it's good to go. And I'll pop this one in. Try to get all those roots underground, and I can add more soil on top as necessary. Okay, and let's get this one here. And I have 2 more. And this is a brand new daylily that's just coming up. That'll give him more space. And then I'll give this a nice drink of water. I do need to top this off with some more soil. And I'm going to put them in the shade of a tree for a while because I've definitely aggravated everybody. And I may kind of trim this down just a little bit so that it's not so leggy. Okay, so there we go. That's the next stage of what to do with your amaryllis to get it to rebloom. So like I said, later on in the summer, we will tip it over on its side to remind ourselves to stop watering it. We want the leaves to turn brown. We will chop all the leaves off and we will cause it to go into dormancy. And then we will put it into our refrigerator. Most people all over the country put them in their cool basements, but we don't have cool basements here in Central Texas. So we have to come up with another plan. And your refrigerator is just perfect. So a few more things I'm going to do to this amaryllis is I'm going to go ahead and cut off some of these, the length on these, and you can cut them into little triangles at the top so that mimics the shape. So this is like a little pointed end, so you're going to just do a little V shape And then the plant doesn't need to put out so much energy on keeping those leaves going. And the other leaves all look great. I'm going to leave them alone. And I have a little plant tone fertilizer. This is just an all-purpose plant fertilizer, and I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of this on top. These bulbs haven't had any good food for quite a while, so I think they will really appreciate just a little bit of organic fertilizer. With an organic, um, if you put in too much, it won't burn it, but I don't think I put in too much. And then I'll just kind of mix that in just a little bit, and I'm going to give them a drink of water, and they are going to look fantastic this summer. And I am hoping that I can get them to rebloom. So when it is time to stop watering them, I will definitely let you all know, and that will be later in the summer. And we're going to kick them into dormancy by stopping the water. So thank you so much for watching my video today. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. And I will keep you updated on how this beautiful pot of amaryllis is doing. Thank you so much. I hope you get a chance to get in your garden today. It's beautiful out here. Bye-bye.